Hello everyone, start off by taking this pink sheet of paper, fold it up into a triangle, open it up, fold over either side of it on the inside, do the same for the top. Now fold over the bottom upwards and then fold the edges outwards. Now do the same on the other side as well, and then afterwards, now you should begin to be seeing a heart. Next, we'll start off by taking any sort of bottle, then take a 10 by 18 centimeter sheet of paper and wrap it around. Add these wings on either end of it, add a star on top of each of them, add a yellow cylindrical sheet of paper under both of them. Add this at the back and then add a propeller at the front. Next, we'll start off by taking a circular yellow sheet of paper, add eyes to it as well as the beak and the top. Afterwards, take this blue sheet of paper that is shaped like a leaf, fold it over, make multiple slits to it. Do this out of different colors and stick it onto other 4 fingers. Wrap this around a cup, make a hole at the base of the cup and insert a straw through it to blow into it. Take these 2 circular sheets of paper out of cardboard. Afterwards, add ice cream sticks all around it. Use a hot glue gun and knot to fasten it in its place. Add another sheet on top of this. Now add numbers all around, add a straw in the middle. After this, add this sheet on either end of it to make it stand. Next, in order to make this, start off by taking one portion of this bottle, insert clay into it and then add lollipops all around. Next, take a tissue paper, add multiple polka dots all throughout it in different colors, then bunch them together, add it all around your bottle and add a bow around it. Next, we'll start off by taking an ice cream stick, take multiple of these and then make a hole in the middle of each of them. Afterwards, insert a metallic rod through it as such and then wrap paper around it. Now fold it around as such multiple times, make it like a decorated watermelon shape. After you fold it over, it'll be a fan. You can open and close it as you please. Now, for our next article, we'll start off by taking some cardboard paper, cut out a heart shape out of it, make this into a frame, add tape all around and then stick candy all around it. After this, make a cylindrical shape out of green paper, add it to the back, add a heart in the center, add leaves on either end of it. Next, we'll start off by alternatively adding yellow and red paper together. Join the ends together for both of these colors and then afterwards, it should look like a boat. Join 2 of them together as well at the top. We have joined the yellow colors, add a decorative butterfly on top of this. Next, in order to make these bunny rings, start off by rolling up a piece of tissue paper as such. Fold it over after you roll it up and then afterwards, add the eyes in the front along with a cute little mouth. Now add some pink blush all around. Next, take a cup, make the circular shape out of some pink paper, cut it out. Afterwards, draw the detailing using a stencil. After you've made this eye shape, add this on top of a cup, add eyes in the front and then add a little mouth to it. Add these little polka dots at the bottom and then you may use it as a piggy bank. Next, take a yellow sheet of paper, make the circular shape out of it and then at the bottom make an oval shape. On either end, add these little wings to it and then add a face to it along with a mouth and eyes. Make this double layered, add a balloon in the middle, stick it together, make a hole in the middle and then this is what it should look like. Take a dishwashing sponge and then add rubber bands on the top 2 sides and then in the middle. Add 2 more rubber bands at the bottom as well. Now add a face to it in the front, add a heart in the middle. Next, take a pink strip of paper, add antenna at the top and then add eyes in the front as well, add the eyes. Now go to the back and begin to roll it over as such. After you roll it up, let it be and this is what it should look like. Add the snail onto a little leaf as well. Take a red sheet of paper, fold it over multiple times to make this triangle, cut it out in this curved leaf-like shape. Make a small slit out of it and stick 2 pieces together as such. Add a lollipop in the middle and curve the ends. Next, we'll start off by taking this paper, add strips of it one on top of the other as such. Now afterwards, fold it over into the cylindrical shape and then make it look like a candy piece. Add multiple candies all around inside it and then afterwards add bows on either end of it. Next, take these 4 bottle caps and then take an orange strip of paper in a triangular shape, wrap it around, make a flag. Thank you for watching.